Hey guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim. In today's video, I'm going to share my daily cleaning routine. I will say from day to day, it looks a little different. One thing I do try to do every day is make my bed. That because I didn't make my bed yesterday and it was a lot easier to curl back into it under the blankets because it was so stinking cold here. But I've heard people say that if you make your bed, you're less likely to get back into it. I would say that is true because it felt a lot easier to curl back up into it when the wind started kicking up around here and it was like 20 some degrees. But for most part, I try to make my bed every day so that way, at least if I didn't accomplish everything that I wanted to in the day, my bed is made and I get to hop into bed that night in a freshly made bed.
You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you.
One thing I try and do every day as well is just get a load of laundry going, just so it doesn't pile up so bad. By the way, these pajama pants here, I just had to throw those away. They were so worn and so beat. The last time Mia folded all of our clothes, she's like, Mom, just get yourself some new pajamas. These are done. But in my thought process, I'm like, you know what? I took the time and effort to wash them, fold them, put them away, so I at least wear them one more time. I don't know. Does anybody else have that thought process? Like I do that with a lot of things. I'm like, you know what? I washed it. I took the effort to fold it and put it away. I'm just going to wear it one last time before I toss it out. But those pajamas were bad. I finally did grab another pair to replace them. I do want to do a declutter of a lot of my clothes. I have a lot of stuff that I realize I'm not wearing and I just need to go through and get it done. But throw a load of laundry in so it's not piling up on you. Makes it easier.
Making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Yeah, I'm restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show 'em how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shotty. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me.
So now that I have a load of laundry started, I'll go into the kitchen and I'll start working on stuff in the kitchen. For instance, today, it was a little later that I started doing everything. Greg had to go into work later, so we had dishes from last night and then a pile of dishes that were from this afternoon. But I like to get the washer to fill up first, and usually by the time I put away everything that was on the drain board, the washer will be done and then I can start doing the dishes. I hate competing with the washer for the water because then the washer takes so long to fill up and then I have no water pressure to do the dishes. So I find it just easier to kind of go in a certain order to make it a little easier.
Yeah, I can't wait to hear that bass drop dance. It's all I wanna do right now. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the same. Cause I'm just an accident waiting.
The washer's filled, the dishes are put away, so it is literally time to roll up my sleeves and tackle the next set of dishes here. I do stand at this window a lot, and that's why I have a lot of like these little plants and stuff. My orchid did just open. It always opens right around the time that it gets really cold and we get snow. Since we're expecting snow today, I will insert a little picture of the orchid. We hadn't gotten the snow yet, but it is on its way.
Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense.
Now that the dishes are all done, we're going to do a little disinfecting. I'm going to just grab some Clorox and spray it in here. I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes just so it can do its job. You really can't see here, but the bottom of the sink does get dingy. I guess just from water sitting in it or just, sauces that we pour down, coffee and tea and stuff like that. It does start to get a little dingy, usually just on the bottom. The bleach will take care of all of that. However, I do go in once a week with my barkeeper's friend to get any of the scuff marks that get in the sink. It is a porcelain sink, and then anytime I clean my cast iron and especially my baking sheets, I always get marks in it that kind of scuff it up, and the only thing that takes them out is the barkeeper's friend's cleanser.
That makes sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs. Sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Ooh, sick and tired of you. I'm so tired of songs that never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone to help me.
Now I'm going to move on to wiping down the countertops, and since it's just a daily kind of routine, I'm just going to wipe it down with one of the cleaners that I'm trying to use up, and I'll just move stuff. I won't take everything off of the countertop and do a good scrub and get all the grout lines and anything that's behind or under stuff. This is strictly just to make sure that everything stays nice and tidy. However, if I cut up chicken or pork, or if I'm doing my prep work, which I usually do right here on this countertop, I will bust out the bleach to make sure I can disinfect that. I've tried using other cleaners to do that, and I just always go back to my bleach because I feel, especially with that kind of meats and stuff, if I don't bleach it, it doesn't get disinfected. So I am trying, but that's my one stronghold is my bleach. I don't think I will ever give up my bleach.
Forever, yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you.
going to move into the front room and I'm just going to do a quick tidy here, just picking up the pillows, which I decided to keep the red pillows down from Christmas time because we're going to do a little decorating for Valentine's Day, and I figured the red can be double duty for Christmas and Valentine's Day. Mia asked to decorate. When the kids were younger, I would decorate for all the holidays. I would do Christmas and Valentine's Day, then I would do St. Patrick's Day, Easter, and then something like a little fun for like the 4th of July, Memorial Day, and stuff like that. But I kind of got out of that and just started doing Christmas and Halloween. But I think it'll be fun to do a little Valentine's Day. Now I'm just going to go through with a little Swiffer and dust off all of the tables and the TV stand.
While screaming at each other, and I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart.
I can't believe how dark it got this night. We had some scary storms roll through with like scary clouds and wind, so it got really dark really quick.
Come home with me tonight. Run away with me. It'd be worth the time. Run away with me. I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time.
If you peek at the end of the table, you can see a few of the Valentine's Day decorations that we started working on. We were doing art for the art wall in the hallway, which I will show you guys probably in the next video. I think we're going to do a little decorating later on in this week. Mia's making some crocheted hearts so that we can do a little heart garland. I think that'll be really cute. And then everything that I got to decorate for Valentine's Day is from the Dollar Tree. The only thing that I'm still searching for is a cute little heart pillow somewhere. So I will show you. Maybe I'll do like a little haul plus the decorate so you can kind of see what we got and then how we used it. I think that might be cute. Now I'm just going to do a little bit of vacuuming. I want to vacuum in the kitchen here. I'm going to go through the hall and then vacuum the living room as well. This is the one thing on my daily routine that is probably the hardest for me to keep up with, is the vacuuming. I'll get everything else done. Dishes always done on a daily. Like I said, I try to make my bed every day. Countertops will get wiped down. Maybe not every single countertop, but definitely the one that we work at the most. But vacuuming for me is the one that I'm trying to really stick to, especially now that we have the 2 cats. Luckily they don't shed, but I think vacuuming needs to be more of a priority for me now. I don't know who it was that decided we needed lights on our vacuums, but they were a-okay in my book. Especially if you have the hardwood floors, the light shows you exactly what you need to get or have missed. So one thing I am enjoying about this vac is the light. It's a little stick vac. Does it have enough power for deep cleaning? Absolutely not. That's why I will always go to my plug-in Dyson. That thing, that will practically suck the rug right off of the floor if you sit in a spot too long. But this does the job for the daily cleaning. before I could put the stuff that was in the washer from earlier, I need to fold what was in there from yesterday, which was just a bunch of towels and some pillowcases. We've been going through and washing up all of our bedding. These were pillowcases that were left in the bottom of the hamper. I guess there wasn't enough for a full load of laundry because I like to separate everything between like sheets, towels, darks, lights, all of that stuff. So my guess is the pillowcases were kind of forgotten in the bottom of the pile, but we got them done. Next, we need to get what is in the washer in the dryer.
Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you.
Okay guys, so we got everything cleaned up. The last thing I'm going to do is put the stuff that I threw into the washer when we started into the dryer. That'll be ready, dried, so I can fold it tomorrow and start the process all over. I know it seems mundane, right? But that's okay. Some days it looks a little different. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.